The question is,
Good morning, sir.
one of the diagonals of a rhombus and its sides are equal. Find the angles of the rhombus. So no figure is given, no angle is given.
Sir, what it means by one of the diagonals
I'm
are
telling you.
equal with
I'm telling you. So no figure is given in this, and in fact, no angle is also given. But what is given here is that one of the diagonals is equal to the sides of the rhombus. So let's draw a rhombus first and see what it actually means. So this is our rhombus, ABCD. All the four sides are equal, and we draw the diagonals also. These two are the diagonals. Okay. Now we know that according to this problem, it is given that one of the diagonals are AC and BD. One of the diagonals is equal to the sides of the rhombus. Okay, which means that we can take any one diagonal. Let us take the diagonal BD. Okay, let BD, let ABCD be a rhombus in which diagonal BD is equal to the sides of the rhombus. Right? Now, what are the sides of the rhombus? AB is a side, BC is a side, CD is a side, and AD is a side. So that means all are equal. So we'll write, since ABCD is a rhombus, since ABCD is a rhombus, AB must be equal to BC, must be equal to CD, must be equal to AD. Right? Now also you see that according to a question they have said that the diagonal BD is equal to one of the sides of the rhombus. Right? That means since BD is equal to the sides of the rhombus ABCD, therefore BD must be equal to the side AB, must be equal to the side
Yes, sir.
BC, must be equal to the side CD, must be equal to the side AD, right? So that means all the four sides and this diagonal BD,
sir how BD and AB is equal.
because it is given in the question that one of the diagonals is equal to sides of the rhombus. See, one of the
Okay, sir.
diagonals of the rhombus and its sides are equal, right? That is why I have taken the diagonal BD to be equal to the sides. You can take AC also, no problem. Okay, I have taken BD. So if BD is equal to the side, then BD is equal to all the four sides of the rhombus, and that is what I have written here. Okay, now look at the triangle ABD. Okay, look at this triangle. Look at this triangle ABD. This triangle must be an equilateral triangle. You agree?
Yes.
Because the BD is equal to all the two other sides. So thus AB is equal to For convenience, let us say, if you can't understand, let us take it as x. Okay, let's take each of the sides as x. Okay, since it's a rhombus, each side we can take as x, and therefore all the four sides must be equal to x. All the four sides must be equal to x. Okay, and since the diagonal BD is also equal to the sides, therefore diagonal BD, the length of diagonal BD is also equal to x. That means this part is x by 2 and this part is x by 2. So that the entire length here is x. So if you see, if you consider triangle ABD, AB is equal to AD is equal to BD is equal to
Sir,
x. Hmm.
acha.
Therefore, triangle ABD must be equilateral. Triangle ABD is an equilateral triangle, right? Now, if triangle ABD is equilateral, what are the angles of the triangle? 60 degree, right? So this angle is
Yes, sir.
60 degree. This angle is 60 degree. And this angle is 60 degree. So let us write this. Therefore, angle, what are the angles here? Angle DAB is equal to angle ADB is equal to angle ABD is equal to 60 degree. All the angles are 60 degree. Now, if all the angles of this are 60 degree, then what can we say about the other angles? First of all, what we can say is that if this angle is 60 degree, this angle will also be 60 degree, right?
Yes, sir.
Because they are opposite angles. Opposite angles of a rhombus are equal. So therefore, we
Yes,
can
sir.
say angle, which angle is this? Angle DCB, or we simply say angle C is equal to angle DCB is equal to angle A, or you can write also this as angle DAB is equal to 60 degree. You have to find all the angles, right? How many angles have we found till now? How many angles of the rhombus do we know till now?
So 4.
Two angles we know. This 60 degree angle we know, and this 60 degree angle we know. Only two angles. What about the other two angles? How will you
So
find
they
the
are
other
only
two
half.
angles? If you
Sir,
see,
x by 2 is equal to
this
60
is
degree.
not x. X by 2 is the length of the side, not the angle. Forget about x by 2 now.
Sir,
If
I am saying
this,
that angle CDB is equals to 60 degree because
exactly,
with alternate
exactly, because the
alternative
diagonals of a
angle.
rhombus will bisect its interior angle. So therefore, this angle will also be 60 degree because this angle is 60 degree. Similarly, this angle will also be 60 degree, right? So therefore,
Sir,
what
I
are
want to
the,
say,
tell me.
I am saying that angle CDB
Hmm.
and angle DPA, we can consider this also because of
Yes, they are
alternative angle.
alternate angles. Yes, you can do that also. Alternate angles. You can do that also. So let's write this angle BDC. Angle BDC is equal to angle ADB is equal to 60 degree. What else can we say? We can say angle DBC, that means I'm talking about this angle. Angle DBC is equal to angle ABD, this angle. Yes, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Because there seems to be some problem.
Sir, but the pad is not working. No,
Now let me see whether it's working. It's not working. Okay, so you stay in the meeting, all of you. Okay, I'll just come back in 5 minutes. Okay.